In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Lucidchart. This is a quick tweak that makes your diagrams look cleaner on slides, websites, and documents, especially when you want your shapes to float seamlessly over any background. Start by heading to lucidchart.com. Once you're in your workspace, open a file from your dashboard by selecting your recent document. That will take you straight into the editor where your canvas and shapes are visible. Inside the editor, make sure you're clicking on an empty spot on the canvas so nothing is selected. Then right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the control key while clicking works the same way. From that menu, choose Document Settings. This opens a panel where you control how the document looks and behaves. In the Document Settings panel, go to the Canvas and Page section. This is where you manage page size, grid options, and importantly for us, the background. Look for the background color control. You'll see a color swatch or picker there. Click the color to open the color options. From the color options, select transparent. As soon as you do, the canvas background will switch to transparency. In many editors, that appears as a gray and white checkerboard pattern, which simply indicates there's no solid background color anymore. Your shapes and lines will remain exactly as they are. You're only removing the page's background. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you click the color and it changes the fill of a selected shape instead of the page, it means a shape was still selected. Click on an empty area to deselect everything, then open Document Settings again and adjust background color there. If you don't see the transparent option at first, double check you're in Canvas and Page within Document Settings, not inside a Shape Style panel. Once the background is transparent, your change is applied immediately and saved automatically. If you later decide you want a solid background again, just return to the same background color control and pick any color. Transparency is especially useful when you export. File formats like PNG and SVG support transparent backgrounds, so your diagram will blend with any destination. Formats like JPEG don't support transparency and will replace it with a solid color, typically white. That's it. We went to Lucidchart, opened a recent document, right-click to access document settings, opened Canvas and Page, and set the background color to transparent. Your canvas is now clean and ready to sit perfectly on any background.